You wouldn't want a landscaper trying to fix your roof. You wouldn't even want a dental hygienist who normally cleans teeth trying to perform oral surgery. Well, the same thing's true for you and your customers when dispatching work to be done inside your shops. While you know you can give an oil change to your master tech and it's going to be done right, it also hurts the profitability on that job. Now, on the other hand, if you give an oil change tech a transmission job, chances are that car doesn't leave the shop running properly. You may have saved money on the labor, but now you have to spend more fixing it a second time around. When it comes to dispatching work in your shop, you probably all have your own method. And with Tekmetric's Tech Board, you have the ability to dispatch your work in a way that works best for your shop. Any and all approved work is going to be listed and ready to dispatch. Now you can arrange your tech board whatever way you see fit. Organize it by skill level, lift location, even rearrange it quickly and easily based on who's working that day. Look at all of your techs on one screen. It shows how many hours are approved per tech, how many of those hours are completed, how many hours are left incomplete. You want to split up the ticket? No problem. You can assign certain jobs on the RO to one tech while allowing another tech to work on other jobs within the same RO. Each of those ROs are represented by a tile in that tech board. And in that tile, you get to see things like customer info. What advisor wrote the repair order? The RO status. Is that customer waiting? And what's the promised time for completion? We've seen quite a few shop owners even put up a screen that's visible to everyone so they can all stay on the same page with what work needs to be done and the priority level of each job. If you don't want your shop to have that kind of visibility, it can be set to where techs only see work that's assigned to them, even filtered to show ROs written by certain service advisors. No need to clean up the tech board because once all jobs on the RO are complete, it's automatically removed so that you can stay focused on taking care of the next vehicle that has work to be done. Now, while you know what's best and how to dispatch work within your shop in order to take care of your customers, utilize Tekmetric's Tech Board to help keep your shop organized so you can fix your customers' cars as efficiently as possible.